Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen. Now find the system option, and then once you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called time and tap on it. Now scroll down, find the option called set time. By default it will be set to auto, and if you want to change the time manually, you will need to tap on set time, select manual, and then the time option will appear. Tap on it, and here we can adjust the time by swiping up and down on the hours, then minutes, and if you have 12-hour format, you will see the AM and PM option here, and you can change it by swiping up and down. And once you're done, you can press the start button twice to confirm. And then you can also change the time format. Like I said before, you can select 12 hours, 24 hours, and military. You can change the date format. And I believe that's all. So then we can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.